So now we're entering the London close hour. This is when, as we head closer to 10:50, 11:10, this is when I kind of start shifting my bias and focusing on liquidity formed after 9:30. So the London close macro is 10:50 to 11:10. Okay, you can expect a retracement or reversal targeting morning liquidity. Ask yourself who's been making money since 9:30. We've already cleared out the buy side. So visually, it looks something like this. Here's your 9:30 open. Well, if we already cleared out the equal highs here, we cleared out the equal highs here. Short-term high taken out, short-term high taken out, short-term high taken out. This high, trade up, failed to clear out this high, so this is a king high. Who's been making money since 9:30? Longs. Higher low, equal lows, equal lows. So now that we're in the London close macro, I'm watching to see if NASDAQ wants to make a run for the sell side. Then obviously we have sell side here, and then we have that new week opening gap that hasn't been traded to at all, which is right here. So I like for these equal lows to get taken out. Bias was bullish until we reach that 10:50 window, and then I started looking at morning session liquidity. So I kind of changed gears. I wanted longs until what time? 10:50 to 11:10. When we were trading at around 10:45, I said, okay, I'm switching my bias because we're in the time of day where it's time to run on morning liquidity, which is why I said I like to see my targets get hit by 11 o'clock, which was buy side. But as soon as we get to that 10:50 to 11:10 macro, like my bias is shifting. I'm now looking at liquidity after 9:30, and I'm not really focusing on the buy side up here anymore. How I view it is we're seeking sell side. I'm watching this wick, treating that as a premium inefficiency. I like for that to take us lower into the equal lows down here. So wicks are gaps. A lot of people get offended when I say that for some reason, when I say wicks are gaps, but I mean, it is what it is. I don't make the rules. If we slap on midpoint here, I like how this candle opened, traded up so far lower. That's really bearish. Again, my focus is the sell side. I like for us to get back beneath this first presentation fair value gap, treat it as resistance. And then best case scenario target, new week opening gap. Then you have an old weekly high resting inside of that. You have consequent encroachment of the new week opening gap, lower quadrant, and then a full repricing. Yup. Just like we drew it up. London close macro doing what it does. There's your relative equal lows, sell side. Now I'm watching to see. This is the macro, 10:50 to 11:10. Sell side here. So now anybody who trailed their stop losses up have been taken out. So when do I switch my bias? Yes, I'm looking for buy side up here, and we have relative equal highs. Okay, all throughout here, I'm looking for higher prices, I want higher prices. I said if we get above this swing high, I like for this up close candle to be treated as a breaker, looking for higher prices. Until what time? 10:50 to 11:10. London close macro. Okay, we talk about this all the time in the Discord. I believe last week's Discord we talked about macros and finding setups. That was even one of the homework assignments, was find setups during the macro. These key 20 minutes during the day. Yes, expecting higher prices up until what time? 10:50 to 11:10. Once we hit 1050, I'm shifting my bias. So I'm saying, okay, I wanted the buy side up here, but we're running out of time during the day. 1050 to 1110 brings a retracement or reversal. Seek remaining liquidity after 930. So this is your opening bell. Where are traders making money? Well, think about it. Okay, visually, we highlighted the minor buy side here, equal highs taken out. Then you have this buy side, short-term high taken out. Then you have this buy side here, taken out, and we failed to take out this high here. As we enter 1050, who's been making money? Well, that leaves shorts if we've already done the damage on the buy side, and we're entering that 20-minute window. Sell side, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. That's all it is. Perfect example, straight from the homework assignment, which again I will be checking tonight.